All right.
Well, there's no way anything could happen.
All right. It's going. I'll let you know when we made contact. Ooh, we're looking up. Wait. So, do you want this there and this there? You want it in more, right? Oh, okay.
Like that. That's gonna fall in the middle.
Okay.
This might become the contact.
Yeah. Yeah. The way that it's falling, it's moving this way a little bit, but I don't think that matters. This.
And I think we're gonna release that mount first.
Okay.
Also because it's clear. Once that center point comes out, then it's clear. This one is not like that.
Yeah. Okay. Are we keeping the jack where it is? And
Yes.
okay.
We're never gonna release all the way from
I'll let you know when we have contact.
the oil pan's gonna come. Are we sitting over there?
Yep.
Looks like we are.
Yeah, we're sitting on this side. Yeah, on the ground. We're sitting on the ground.
What? The car is?
Yeah.
Oh. This car's never been so lowered in its life. Alright, so that's gonna take some weight off of that side,
Okay.
but the spring will start compressing.
Okay.
Make sure that axle doesn't get bound with anything.
What do you mean?
Like it doesn't come in contact with anything else and starts taking weight.
Oh, well, it's in contact with the ground.
Weird. Yeah, but I mean, like if it gets braced against the frame, I
Oh.
don't think it will. It has plenty-
Okay.
Or also against that rotor right there.